in Nicole's portfolio. And one of the things that to me I found distracting in this particular image was this sign. So I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of it. Now, there's different ways to get rid of different things. Just depends on what you're working with. Now, because these are in bushes, I kind of feel like the patch tool could work in this, but we're going to see. So I am just grabbing, because these are two different bushes, and just sliding it over, and there we go, it's gone. Since this is such a short video, I will show you one of the things that I would do with this, Nicole, because I know that this was talked about in the critique quite a bit, was warming images up. So I'm going to go over into camera filter. Excuse my dogs, you guys. Somebody is at my door. I'm just going to add some yellows here. I'm going to go into that color grading. And in this particular image, I might go into my greens just a little bit, but I'm definitely going to add some warmth into those yellows, something like that. Not a huge difference, but you can see it does make a difference. And you could work with selective color as well. As far as changing some of the colors in your image, if you want to darken them, warm them up. Selective color is really, to me, working with your colors is just as important as any other sort of editing that you're doing on a photo. Just creating the rest of the story, I guess, is kind of the best way to say it. Blues, I just like to kind of scroll through all of them. So you can see the blues are in his pants there mainly. I think his pants look a little bit better if they're darker. Magentas, her dress, you can darken that up a bit. Whites. So whites are your highlights, and you can see this on their face. Their face can look very, very flat, or they can look too bright. So finding a nice balance there. And your neutrals. And your blacks. And I might pull the blacks up just a little bit in this image. Add some more yellows to them. Something like that. And then I think the other thing that this image could benefit from would just be a little bit with the overall saturation, maybe just a tiny bit. So I'll show you guys the before and the after.